For all your web hosting needs, check out BlueHost, where you could get plans for as low as $3.95 per month. Sign up today and get a free domain plus a 30-day money-back guarantee. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. Now, on a previous episode, I gave a general overview of what digital marketing is. Now, in this episode, I'm going to talk about why digital marketing is something you should get into and why it is so important. Now, as I briefly talked about in the last episode, digital marketing is everywhere. So some examples here on YouTube, these are ads. And obviously, every time you actually watch a video, okay, there's ads that play in the front, and then there's also ads up here. So there's ads everywhere. And Google, as you know, has ads here as well. So let's just type in Apple, okay, and then there's an ad right there, okay. So those are ads. These are all ads, and so if you were to look up anything, you would always see ads, okay. Normally you always see ads at the top, at the bottom, on the side. The same thing if you go to Bing. If I were to type in something like Xbox, you know, that's an ad. So anything that says ad, those are all ads. And then even if you are looking at any of these news articles that are down here, let's just look at this one. More than likely, it's going to go to a result that actually has ads. So all of these have ads in them. Okay, so any website that you go to Forbes, these are all ads right here, ads right there, ads. And so you could see my point, okay? Now, they don't just pertain to YouTube channels, search engines, or websites, but they're heavily influenced in social media. So I'm going to give you an example here. So obviously this is their main website, okay. Believe it or not, this is also an ad. These are graphics ads, and they're actually have to be built by a team to create this, okay. These are also ads, but what I really want to get into is their social media marketing, okay. So here in Facebook, when you come here, a lot of these, and you'll see if you actually spend a lot of time on Facebook, these are all actually ads, okay. These are all run by Facebook ads. So similarly, most of these ads right here, these are all mostly Google AdWords. This is definitely Google AdWords. This is definitely Google AdWords. And something like Bing, it has what's called Bing ads, okay. And then if you spend a lot of time on Facebook, you will see ads, and they will say something like sponsored, okay. And Facebook also owns Instagram, so whatever ads that you see here, they're also done by Facebook ads. And then so you can see here that it is so important, where more than 90-something%, or pretty much all of the internet, has some form of marketing and advertising, okay. And all of that goes back to digital marketing, okay. Now we know that it's everywhere, okay, but that still doesn't answer the question of why you should get into it. Well, the first point is obviously the fact that there is so much of it, that means there's demand. And the second point is that because there's demand, there's money to be made, okay. And so if I go to any job search site and I just type in digital marketing, okay, and at any point in time, look at that, there's almost like 50,000 jobs here, something related to digital marketing. I'll go to another job site like right here and type in digital marketing as well, and let's just say digital marketing manager, search all jobs, and right there, over 47,000, almost 50,000. And then if you actually look at the type of money that you could make, so let's type in digital marketing here, just be real general, just a digital marketing, okay, and you see the average salary is close to $60,000 a year. And if you were actually a digital marketing manager, that actually goes up to almost 74,000. And obviously, if you're in a bigger city, say like in the San Francisco area or New York City, these salaries are going to be much higher. Okay, so let's just look up specialists. I'm just kind of showing you. Okay, yeah, so it's around 58, nearly $60,000. Okay. And then if you are not even looking for a job in it, you could also freelance. So if you go to some places like Fiverr, okay, there's a lot of digital marketing services, okay. And so here you could see there's a lot of services related to digital marketing. This is all digital marketing. And if I were to just type in digital marketing, let's see how many come up here. See, there's plenty of them. Look at that. Tons of places that you can be a freelancer, okay, if that's something you wanted to do. And the same thing if you actually went to a place like freelancers.com, you could actually look up digital marketing jobs, and I could pretty much guarantee you that there's going to be a lot of people. And so the category they have here is internet marketing, which is one of their top categories. And so as you can see here from everything I've shown, that first and foremost, digital marketing is absolutely everywhere. Everything that I've shown you here, there's ads everywhere, okay? There's not a single place or very few places on the internet where there is not a digital marketing presence. And also, it's not only on websites as we normally see, but it's on everything from social media all the way to your applications that you have on your phone. Your apps have a lot of digital marketing in there as well, because both Google AdWords, Facebook ads, Bing ads, you could also target market applications as well, so apps, okay? And then finally, the most important thing I think for a lot of people is that this demand means that there is a lot of money out there for people to make, whether they want to have a digital marketing career in a job as a freelancer, or to use it in their own business, or they could do all three. So as you can see there is a lot of opportunity to become a digital marketer, not only now, but pretty much for as long as there is sales and marketing. There's always going to be a demand for marketing. It's just now it's going over to the digital marketing arena. So if this is something that you are interested in, you could actually get access to 4 free videos. Now, this is a course that I actually took myself, and this is one that I recommend. I am an affiliate of this, but it'll give you all the tools that you need to learn digital marketing and get into it quickly so that you can capitalize on both the demand and also the money that is being made in this area. So if you had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to subscribe, and we will see you on another episode. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.